The Samoa Rugby Union is extremely delighted to announce the appointment of World Rugby Hall of Fame inductee Gordon as the new head coach of our Samoa Sevens team as from 2017. To me, as chairman of the Rugby Union, we consider this appointment of Gordon as a great coup for our Samoan rugby. We know that there was much competition to secure the services of Gordon, prestigious figure in World Rugby Sevens. In entrusting our Sevens team to Gordon, we believe we have a coach who understands how important rugby is to our people, and he has a very deep appreciation for how to get the best out of the talents we have. Gordon's appointment is not effective until the 1st of January 2017, but we plan to begin his orientation into our program as soon as possible. We are indeed very excited about his appointment, as we believe his unique ability to uncover new talent, his coaching prowess, and his proven ability to lead world champion campaigns will help us to realize our potential on the world stage.
It's a real pleasure and a real honour to be involved in your country. I've had a very passion for many, many years, because I've coached many Samoans over the years that have been involved in the New Zealand teams that I have coached. They're an island full of talent that I have here. I've seen here in the last few days as well, and it's really exciting times for me in my 23rd year coaching Sevens rugby at the international level. 22 years with New Zealand, and really much looking forward to my first year with Samoa. I feel as a coach I have a lot to offer the game. I have a lot of experience, and at the same time I'd like to think that with my position as the head coach, I could also provide a pathway for aspiring coaches in the succession plan. They could learn from myself, learn from the experience, and moving forward. I also believe Samoa has a huge amount of potential to start, I suppose, progressing in the World Series, using the World Series for 2016/17 as to start regrouping, starting to pull together and produce consistent performances. And of course, in 2018 there's a Commonwealth Games in the Gold Coast, which certainly Samoa will be striving to win a gold medal. And then we have the Rugby World Cup Sevens, which is going to be in the USA. And then of course what we all want to see also, and we've seen it with our other neighbours, is Samoa going to the Olympics in 2020 in Japan. So they're my goals, certainly as a coach, to get Samoa to where they need to be, and that's up at the top of the tree in Sevens rugby. And once again I thank Prime Minister, I thank you for giving me that opportunity to coach Samoa.